Hey there, so I'm here with my friend.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
We are about to hike Mohawk Lakes. It's one of my favorite little lakes that I like to do. We drive up pretty far to make it easy for a pack. Ollie's got his backpack and we're gonna head off, so let's go.
Connected.
As you can see, we made it to our camp spot. Got the tent set up. Ollie's all excited. This is Lower Mohawk Lake. This is a really fun spot I like to come to a lot. A lot of people come and hike it, but not a lot of people camp it. So check it out. Amazing view. Sit here tonight and do some night shots, and then we will set up in the morning and watch the sunrise. So made it to the upper Mohawk Lake. So there's a lower and an upper. The upper is a little more turquoise. You can see it a little bit. It's pretty great. Pretty awesome view. So we're gonna go up. There's scattered little lakes and a pretty cool peak you can see off in the distance. So we made it as far as we're gonna go. We are probably under 12,000 feet, but we're sitting at this big valley, one of the highest lakes. I think there's one more up top. I believe Father Dryer, I always say it wrong, peak, and a pretty cool class ridge going across. So we're gonna head back down, chill out at the lake, set up the hammock, and just relax. So Stacy's got to go. She's got to work tomorrow, so bye. See ya.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have no...
Wait. Cut the music. Let's play something better. Thanks for Stacy for stopping by. It was always fun. Great to just explore and kind of show you the more higher upper lakes. I know you've been here before, so have I, but love it. Was hoping to keep the rain fly off, but it looks like we've got a little bit of a storm rolling in. So rain fly's on, third time here, and it's raining again. It's just how it works, but still incredible. All right, so if you can hear, it's raining. We're just cuddled up. It's pretty cold now. We're gonna wait out the rain, and then we've got a meteor shower to watch tonight. Should clear up. Perseid Meteor Shower. Now it's really picking up. I've been here 3 times and it just rains all the time. It's hilarious. So as you can see behind me, the sun's going down. We are getting settled, cook some food. Gonna just relax for a little bit and then wake up and watch the meteor shower. Should be great. Good morning. So Ollie and I had a good night. We are getting ready for sunrise. About 10 more minutes. Decent night's sleep. My sleeping pad broke, busted, so that kind of sucked. But sunrise is going to be fantastic, so let's see. So we got our packs on. We're headed back down. About 8:30. Should be back down pretty quick. It's not that far of a hike. And head back to Colorado Springs. Took some great pictures. Sunrise was epic. It always is. Love coming here. Can't wait to come back. So we made it home. Ollie's in his chair, putting this together now. Hope you enjoyed. Love Mohawk Lakes. It's always a great spot to go to. And we'll see where we end up next.